So sometimes we work with already aggregated data or we create percentages off data that we have access to. And one of the challenges I'm finding with several of our customers is that they bring that percentage in, but they want it to look like a percentage. So it's not exactly obvious how to do that. And it can actually be kind of confusing when you look at it in the transform data and it looks right. So let me show you what I'm talking about. I'm going to go to Excel and I've just created a little sample data set. And it's just, again, you could easily recreate it. It's just a label, some totals, a count, and a percentage. Okay, I'll go ahead and check that. And I'll go ahead and go to transform data. And so we get here and we know about data type. So I'm going to go change this to a percentage. And I'm going to go ahead and add a new step. So great. This is the percentage I was looking for. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and choose close and apply. All right. And let's see. I'm going to bring in my label here. And I'll bring in my count. I'll bring in my total. And I'll bring in my percentage. And so here you see the problem, right? It looks like a percentage, but it's not 80%. And when we're making things readable, we typically want it to be 80% or 77%. So let me show you how to do that. I'm actually going to choose the percentage in my fields list. And up top, I'm going to go to my column tools and my format right here. I'm going to actually format it to look like a percentage. Immediately, it gives me the 80%, 76. Okay, and then I'll go ahead and decrease my decimal places. All right, and then this total line here doesn't make any sense, but I can go and turn that off. All right, now anywhere I use that field, because I've applied that formatting, it'll look like a percentage everywhere I put it. Okay, hope you enjoyed this one. Quick and easy.